In this video, I will show how to recover your deleted content in Grammarly application. So open Grammarly applications, and if you deleted any article text of your content, so to recover just click on this trash icon. You have to click on this trash icon, and here you will see your all deleted items like this one. And if you want to restore, so just click here this restore icon. You will see this document has been restored. Similarly, you can restore all your deleted. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.